What's up, you guys? Shri Kanase here. Now, a lot of e-commerce store owners get caught up in finding the perfect Google ad strategy, or maybe they go on a lookout to find the perfect product. However, these e-commerce store owners end up wasting way too much money on the bad ad strategies, or end up putting a lot of their budget into sourcing these products, which eventually just rot and get dusty. Instead, if they diverted this focus onto the Google Merchant Center, specifically the Google Merchant Center promotion section, which we're gonna cover in this video, they would be way far ahead. Now, I know this because I've done this myself. I've wasted a lot of money just trying to perfect my Google ad strategies. I mean, that's what this YouTube channel is all about. But every single time I've come to realize that just focusing on the fundamentals, just focusing on the main foundation is really what kind of takes my e-commerce brands and my clients' e-commerce brands under my Google Ads agency, Your Marketing, to the next level. Now, I want to discuss with you and give you my exact Google Merchant Center promotion strategy, which I'm currently using to really scale the e-commerce brands I'm working with. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and go on over to our Google Merchant Center right here, and under marketing, we're gonna go on over to promotions. I personally believe without a single doubt that this is one of the most overlooked sections within the Google Merchant Center. I mean, if somebody comes inside the promotion section for their e-commerce brand, the most that they would do is they would just randomly choose a specific country and then just set a percentage off or an amount off to get their promotion going without giving this another single thought. I personally believe that is one of the worst mistakes you can do when it comes to the promotion strategy. Now, with my personal experience, what I've found is that those promotions which really stand out of the crowd are the ones that have the best chance at success. And in order to illustrate this, let's go on over to Google and do a quick search for my legendary example of 3D printer. And what I want to show you is those e-commerce brands which took the promotion strategy to a whole new level. So right here, we see these specific promotions going on which have to do with shipping options. We see some where it's a code right here, so they inserted a promotion code within the Google Merchant Center, hence why it shows this right here. And that's pretty much all we see. It's either about shipping, or it's about just some dollar amount off, or it's about some percentage off, and that's where it ends. Now, this is where my strategy comes in, and this is where you can really stand out of the crowd. Because if we go back to the Merchant Center promotion section, we click this plus little circle and go ahead and choose the country we want to launch the promotions within. Let's say, for example, the United States, choose location. And if we just scroll down to the promotion categories, we can see there's 4 different ones available. Most of the e-commerce store owners, 99% of them I would even say, go with amount off, percent off, or free shipping. I have yet to see an e-commerce brand running Google shopping ads where they have done something like a free gift promotion. And bingo, that's where we come in and we dominate the market. Because a normal customer, when they're looking through Google shopping ads, they're very used to nowadays looking at these free shipping options, or get the product by a certain date option, or the codes, or the dollar amounts off. They are not used to somebody coming in, specifically an e-commerce brand, and offering a free gift with their product. So this is essentially where a strategy like this shines the most, why I'm able to really outdo my competitors on Google Shopping without paying a single dime extra. It's all about the Google Merchant Center promotion strategy. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna choose a free gift, but even then, you have to be strategic. You can't just offer a random product on your store hoping that people really fall for this, because it needs to be either a complementary product or something that you cannot use the main product without. So essentially, it's like selling shoes and then selling shoelaces as a free product. Obviously, shoes are useless without those shoelaces. So if this is something that you personally do, you can offer those shoelaces as a free gift. Of course, that's an example. You don't want to really do that because that's not the best way to sell a shoe. But anyways, offering any type of free gift, always make sure it's a complimentary product. So you could be get a free gift. So this says right here, add a free gift to the carts of customers, and you can even optionally set a minimum purchase amount of the quantity of products, or the amount in terms of dollars. So $50 minimum, $100, so on and so forth. So that's really ideal. The second option is get a gift card. Again, no e-commerce brand really is doing this. So This is where you can come in and shine the most, or give a free gift from your inventory. So essentially, whatever you already have, just add that as a free item to the cart directly. So any of these three really work. The best way to go if you want to choose the first or the third option is to offer a complimentary item. So for example, if you're selling phones, then offer a free gift of a phone case. If you're selling laptops, then offer a laptop sleeve as a complimentary free gift. Now, the way you go about this is entirely up to you. You can actually increase the price of your original product. So if my laptop sleeve is like $15, if I sell my laptop for $1,000, then I might increase my price of the laptop itself to $1,015 or $1,020, and then offer this as a free gift. It can work that way, or you can just kind of offer it at the same price and give the gift with money out of your own pocket. Either works, but these are some of the best ways to stand out of the crowd. Now, the gift card option right here, I wouldn't really recommend this, simply because offering a gift card to somebody who has never purchased from you is not really an incentive. I mean, they don't know about you, they don't know about your brand, so on and so forth. So the best way to go about this in terms of the Google promotion strategy is to go with the first option or the third option, and make sure include all the necessary information here properly. So make sure to enter the item ID properly, because if you don't, then it's just not gonna get approved, and as a result, the promotion is not gonna be active. In addition, if you want, you can set a minimum purchase amount or a minimum purchase quantity, like 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. But way too many e-commerce brands are focusing on just the perfect Google Ads strategy or the perfect upsell downsell strategy. This is one of the best strategies that you want to implement right away to really take your Google Ads game to the next level. But if you're currently doing $40,000 or more per month in revenue, you need just a little bit of extra help scaling your e-commerce brands at the next level. Go onto my website at yourmarketing.com and book a free call with me to see how we can possibly work together and make that happen. But if you're interested in finding out how the Google Ads algorithm really works in 2023 and onwards, click this video right here to get more details on exactly how the algorithm works in 2023 and how you can dominate with Google Ads or your e-commerce brand.